Dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics and today we will start new chapter. Actually, see, last chapter was sets, first chapter. This is second chapter, relations and function. Okay, these two chapters are in one part among 16 parts. Between these two chapters, that means in this part 1, total relations, functions, sets, approximately 2 questions are going to come among 30 questions. Okay, actually I have done 12 questions only for sets. Why? Because I have seen to take questions from sets, but every question was related to relation or function like that. That is why even anything left in sets also that I am going to cover in this. Automatically you are going to get all questions from sets, relations and functions in here. Okay, and also I am going to try first relation questions. At least 1 or 2 classes I want to do only what we can say relations. Afterwards we will go for functions. Okay, like that I want to try. Why? Because I have to see questions are there, means I want to take only JEE questions. Why? Because you should get confidence. Yes, these questions we are able to do like that. Is why I am taking only JEE questions only. Different models I am taking, so that you can get experience and you can tackle your JEE examination. Okay, let us see this question, relations and function, second chapter. Let R is equal to 1 3 4 2 2 4 2 3 3 1. This is relation, we know very well. R means relation. Be a relation on the set. Already he told again relation on the set A. 1 2 3 4. See, set A means the elements should be from A only. Okay, the relation R is, see, we know very well 3 types of relations are there: reflexive, symmetric, transitive. If all 3 are applicable for any one relation, then that is going to be called as equivalence relation. We will see whether what is this and all. Answers afterwards we will see. Why? Because see, straight away answer I am not going to tell you. Why? Because I have to make you building up of what we can say concept also. Already for NCERT videos, if you watch, you can get this concept. Even though little bit concept also I am going to tell you. Okay, first of all, you see here reflexive is there, transitive is there, symmetric is there. Okay, but not symmetric like the above. Even though, let us see. Function, no, this is not a function. Why? Because already they are telling relation, but function is a relation only, but every relation may not be function. That also we know. But why I am not telling function means, here you see 2 to 4, 2 to 3 are there. See, for one input, 2 outputs should not come. If for one input 2 outputs are coming, means that is only relation. Okay, here I want to say 2 to 4, 2 to 3 is there. 2 to 4 and 2 to 3, if at all are available, then that is going to be called as relation only, not a function. That is why straight away you close this option. Okay, first thing. Second thing, remaining 3 we will see. If 3 are applicable, then that is going to be called as equivalence relation. But here already not they have given. Okay. Let us see for reflexive. See what I am writing. For reflexive implies, see, 1 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 3 comma 4 4 should belong to R. Then only this is reflexive. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Reflexive means like mirror. Mirror means 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. All. Do you see any such pair is there here? Nothing is there. That is why I am making it is not belongs to R. Now I am removing this. Reflexive implies this should be there, but not. Now I am changing this like not reflexive, because 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 are not available, or not belongs to this relation. Okay, that means here reflexive, you straight away strike mark. You are having only 2 options now. Okay. Now let us go for transitive also. Transitive. Okay. Why? Because the answer is A, not symmetric, but I don't want to go first to this answer. Let me go for this also. Okay, for transitive. See how I am tackling this question also. Observe carefully. Why? Because I am making you to building up of concept also. See, for transitive, see, 1 to 3 is there, 3 to anything is there, yes is there. 1 to 3 is there, comma, belongs to R, comma 3 to 1 is also there, belongs to R. 1 to 3 is there, 3 to 1 is there, 1 to 1 is there. Is there 1 to 1? Not there. That means see, not belongs to R. Now not transitive. Why? Because see, even if 1 is not there, then that is not a transitive. Even you can see also 2 to 4 is there, 4 to 2 is there, but 2 to 2 is not there. That is also. But we need not write several. Why? Because if 1 is not available, then we can close this option. That means what I want to say, this is not transitive. Then you have down left only one, not symmetric. This also we will see. See, finally not transitive, not reflexive, not symmetric means you can observe. Okay, this is not that. Okay, everything. Okay, now you see, not symmetric. How we are going to tell symmetric? See, for symmetric, okay, see, 1 3 is there, belongs to R, 3 1 is there, belongs to R. If 1 3 belongs to R and 3 1 belongs to R, this is symmetric. But not only with 1, like that you have to see also. 4 2 is there, comma 4 2 belongs to R, comma 2 4 also belongs to R. Okay, that means see this over. But what about 2 3? 2 3 belongs to R, but 3 2 not belongs to R. 2 3 not belongs to R. That means we can write here not symmetric. Why? Because see, 3 2 also should be there. Then only this is going to become symmetric. Here you observe carefully. Not symmetric they have written. That means not symmetric means correct only. Understand? Okay. Now let us go for next question.